Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can remove logo from CapCut template. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my CapCut and for example, I'm going to create a video using CapCut template. I'm going to use this template and I'm going to click on use template. Okay, and I'm just going to select a photo from my device. I'm gonna go with this one and I'm going to click on next. Okay, and you can edit the template according to your need. For instance, I'm going to edit the text. I'm going to add my username right here. Oops. Okay, and then I'm going to click on export. And if we want to remove the CapCut logo right here, we can click on export without watermark. Okay, and the video will be exported without the CapCut logo or CapCut watermark. Okay, now the video is being exported. Alright, and I'm going to check it in my gallery. Wait guys, I'm going to open it. And as you can see that there is no CapCut logo in this video. Alright guys, and that's all the way to remove logo from CapCut template. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.